Hey YouTube, today I'll be doing the unboxing of the Ace Zippo lighter. Like Ace of Spades. So here's the box, nothing too big, no fancy. This is from Amazon. And yeah. This is about $25. A lot for a lighter. Representing. This is my hometown. Representing. Yeah. And here we go. Oh. Zippo. Yeah. Need to focus that. I don't know if it focused, but yeah. And yeah. Just the unboxing. Nice bag. Nice box. Very nice box. And let me just focus this for you guys again. And wow, this is really nice. Made in the USA. Let me focus that. Made in the USA. Zippo. Okay. Back of the box. Zippo Manufacturing Company, genuine. Yeah. And here is the lighter. Congratulations. Maybe focus that for you guys. Congratulations on your purchase of this quality Zippo product. For great tips and hints on the care of your new lighter, visit zippo.com/care. Also, did you know that genuine Zippo? Alright, yeah, you get it. It's very nice box. Here are some warnings. Yeah. Keep out of reach of children. This lighter is not child resistant. Yeah. Very nice box. Thank you, Zippo, for the very nice box. And warning. Keep away from children. This letter is not a child resistant. Okay, so get that sticker off. It's annoying to have a sticker on there, but it's alright. I don't want the stain or scratch. Damn it. It's all good. Thank you, Zippo, anyway. Left a mark. Not too bad, you know. I can get that off there. And yeah. Let's go through the details of this lighter. Has a very nice, elegant design. You can see. Ace of Spades. Study that one. Sorry, I'm very clumsy. Yep. It's very nice. I'll get that off there. Probably like, just move my finger over it. It'll come off eventually. Let me see if it's... And yeah. Does it have... No, it's just flint right now. Still have it, to refill this, I guess, I need to get that Zippo fluid. And yeah. Wish I could light it. I didn't know it didn't, come with... Didn't know it didn't come with Zippo fluid, but it's okay. Let me see, hold on. Is it supposed to be like this? I'm not sure. Usually it would. I'll find out how to refill this later. Oh, I think you just pull this. You pull this out. I think this is how you refill it. Take this, pull it out. I'll look at a review. I'll look at how to refill them. But lift to fill. Yeah, there you go. Lift to fill. And yeah, I'll unscrew that, lift it up, and I guess I'll refill it. I don't know what this is for. I don't want to play with it, so yeah. So yeah, it's a very nice case. Pretty, which way does this go? Let's see. It's like this. Is it? No, it's not. It's like this. I hope. Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, that's a very good lighter. I don't know. I light it, I guess I'll review it. Yeah. Thanks for watching. If you would like to, just rate, comment, subscribe. Thanks, YouTube. I might do a review on this in a week, maybe, or whenever I get my fluid. Thanks again, yeah. If you would like to, like, comment, and subscribe. Another thing before I go, reppin' D-Town. Thanks, everyone.